Aerial Assassin Review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Aerial Assassin by Bill Ang and Saurabh Gopal, launching on 5th December 2020 at 9 AM EST. With this product you will learn the secret to real online growth. And are you ready to turn strangers into paying customers and become an expert in your space? With completely free traffic and using fail-proof methods, then Aerial Assassin is the product that can help you achieve your goals. Aerial Assassin is basically a proven system with a track record of success. It's a step-by-step, easy-to-follow video training, and you can achieve success with it with no list, no paid traffic, no review videos as well. So you don't need a website or any technical skills either. You can learn how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. So let's see how the members area of Aerial Assassin looks like and what it has to offer. So this is how the members area of Aerial Assassin will look like once you make your purchase and create your account. You'll be first greeted with a welcome video about the product by Bill, and then you have a little overview of Aerial Assassin and a mini introduction as well. And then we get to the strategy part where Bill will talk about mindset, profile optimization, and how to choose the right offer. Then we have the next section as Assassin Secret, where we have a series of videos talking about various things like the secret overview, then what is your offer, who is your ideal customer. We'll also learn where do your ideal customers hang out and why they need your help, and when to pitch your offer and how to attract. All these are extremely important to make that sale and earn your commissions. So this is an extremely important section in my opinion in the whole training. And then we talk about the monetization, where Bill talks about overview of monetization, the actual monetization process, monetization method, and the understanding the objections, etc. Then there's also the 30 days accountability challenge, where we have the 30 days challenge and the full-fledged assassin. Then we have a little case study where they talk about how $516 was made with just one Facebook post. This is a case study that is being done by Saurabh himself, and there are some great bonuses on offer as well, like Instagram Made Simple, the Fugo Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, El Bendito, and the clones. All these will be automatically added to the members area when you make your purchase and create your account. And remember, you can also join Bill's Facebook Mastermind as well as Saurabh's Facebook Mastermind from inside the members area here. On clicking on any of these links, it will take you to their Facebook Mastermind groups and you can become a member, and that will add even more value to your purchase, because these mastermind groups have a lot to offer in terms of learning how to grow your online business. So now let's see the pricing of Aerial Assassin and the various upgrades that it has to offer. So as far as the pricing of Aerial Assassin is concerned, the front end of the product costs you $12.95, but remember the price goes up every few sales, so you need to grab it as soon as you can to get it at the lowest price possible. And with this you will learn how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commissions. This is 100% proven method to earn big commissions by giving value and using attraction marketing. The first upgrade is called Advanced, and here you will find out how to tap into 10 times more traffic in the same amount of time. The cost of this upgrade is $37. The next upgrade is Done For You Campaigns. The cost is $67, and there's a downsell of $27 as well. With this, you will be able to steal 60 Done For You campaigns that Bill and Saurav have created personally for you to use. All you have to do is copy and paste your way to success. The next upgrade is Reseller Rights. With this, you will get 100% resell rights through the entire product, which means you earn 100% commissions through the entire funnel. The price of this upgrade is $97, and the last upgrade is one-to-one coaching. With this, you get 8 weeks of live coaching to learn and implement the strategies to get started with online marketing and make those affiliate commissions daily. The price of this upgrade is $197 or for a one-time payment, or $27 per month. So this is what the pricing and upgrade of Aerial Assassin is all about. And you can also see some great testimonials from people who have been using Aerial Assassin and they have got some great results, and you can read these testimonials to see how effective and powerful this product is. And remember, I'm offering some great bonuses if you buy Aerial Assassin through my link. The bonuses that I'm offering are 0-hour workdays, crazy traffic explosion. The next bonus is ultimate traffic mantra. The next bonus is easy passive paydays, and my next bonus is 5-figure freedom. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page where I've listed all my bonuses. On reaching this page, remember to click on any of these blue tabs, which will take you to the sales page of Aerial Assassin, where you can complete your purchase, and all these bonuses will be automatically added to your purchase, adding even more value to your purchase. Remember, for any reason, if you do not like Aerial Assassin or do not get the results that you are expecting, you are covered with a 30 days money back guarantee. So there's nothing that you need to worry about, that even if you buy Aerial Assassin and it does not work, you can ask for a refund within the first 30 days of the purchase. So thank you so much for watching my Aerial Assassin review. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.